Uh, okay, and y'all are ready? All right. Y'all been talking with her? You've been working with him? When was the last time you spoke with him? A month ago, and we're in trial today. My God.
I have been trying to get a hold of his office, and it like says they get the phone number is different. And I also tried to message him, and then I'm doing good. And
It's a trial today. Yeah, but y'all haven't talked so y'all, I mean, we can go to trial right now and we're ready.
and only Fridays from 1 to 4, and I've tried to call and haven't got anything.
That's
Yes, I did. I was like, not this.
It's the day for trial. You got to strategize and prepare and, rehearse your testimony. You didn't even know you're going to be under trial.
I didn't get anything from him. I didn't get any letter or any phone call.
Honest. I'm sorry.
I didn't get anything from my.
That's not. Yeah.
But that's how I had gotten a hold of you in the shots. That's how I've always gotten a hold of you.
Cheers, text on Facebook Messenger.
I don't know. You know what I would say. I've done this for 40 years, and I've never come to a trial without being prepared with a meeting.
I'm ready to try. I'm not.
She hadn't talked.
No one told me anything about the trial.
She says she's surprised there's even a trial today.
The boss was responsible.
You're not? Her lawyer is not?
I do my best.
What have you done? Oh, no. Okay. All right. I've never heard. This is completely. I've done this for 45 years, and I've never heard of such. I've never heard of this.
I didn't hear until today.
Really. And then what they said last week when you weren't here at trial docket. So we had trial docket. You didn't even show up.
I was in those trial, and
sir, you interrupted me just then, sir. You interrupted me when I was speaking to you, sir. I'm speaking to you. I didn't finish my sentence. If you'd be so kind. We had a trial docket. You never showed up for the trial docket, and the people there said they hadn't talked to you in 4 months. And it was obvious y'all weren't going to be able to go to trial. We had to go to trial on another case.
Notice order from Judge
Sir,
trial.
Sir, once again, those are things you need to speak to me directly for, because the protective orders, look, we know what's going on with protective orders, and this court has a fair opportunity to be heard on its protective orders.
It wasn't a protective order.
Well,
I did pick a jury.
This court generally doesn't do that, but I know some courts do, but I'm supposed to find out way ahead of them. I should know way ahead of a trial when that's being pulled, because the courts have a fair opportunity to be heard, especially ones that don't do the protective orders like I do. I know what goes on, and in some of the counties, it's subject to abuse, and that's not fair to the people who are the 22nd largest county with the 16th highest crime rate, like ours. I think we have some prioritization for the people of Jefferson County. You can't go to trial right now. Y'all aren't ready for this.
Go to trial, but we didn't know when, and that's the first thing I heard.
Okay. Well, there's got to be preparation, and you just can't impromptu come up here and start testifying. It's just to get rehearsed and things like that. Y'all just be silly, please. Y'all can be sued. Yes. You can be sued.